Hey guys, it's Toya. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you guys realize I'm not in my regular background, I'm actually at my mom's house in my old room where I used to film. So you guys some of you probably recognize this room, but this is my old room. Excuse me if I keep looking at myself. I'm recording with my phone and it's my first time recording with my phone, so I'm kind of excited. Yeah, I'm not really know how it's gonna turn out, so I'm kind of looking at myself. I'm not really sure why I'm keep looking for myself. I know you guys have already seen me today, but this is my second video for the day, and it's just because when I wake up this morning there was a bomb ass video release. Everybody had talked about it, and I just wanted to come on here quickly and give you guys my 2 cents. Kind of going to be reacting to the video as well as reviewing the video. Come and watch it already. I'm going to put like a clip or a snippet of the clip right here so that you guys can see a little bit of the video. But guys, this video is so bomb, you literally can't get enough of the video. Like, you literally can't. And of course, it's Dexta Daps intro short film thing. Yeah. Before me even get into the whole thing, if you're under 18, click out of this video. I'm not condone the whole forced right business. I'm not for it. If you're under 18, you need not hear anything I'm about to say. You need not even watch the video. I don't even think you can watch the video if you're under 18, but you guys get what I'm saying. I probably might put an age restriction on this video. I might not. But I'm just saying, if you're under 18, this video is really not for you, babe. So watch one of my other videos or something. It's about 10 minutes long, if I'm not mistaken, about 10 minutes. If it's not 10 minutes, I'm going to put the direct link to it in the description bar. Honestly, I hope you guys get to check this out before they take it down, if they do end up taking it down, because they might flag it. I'm not sure. Enough people are raving about it, enough people are talking about it right now. It's a wreck the internet. Equal rights, like, I want them equal rights. I want them equal rights. Who know nothing about that no more? Like, everybody stopped talking about that a long time. So right now, honestly, I think setups alone, everybody are talking about. So me want to get my 2 cents in upon the whole topic here right now, because it's hot and it's around the place, and I just had to tell you guys what I thought about the video. Alright, so basically the whole thing, the short film has like 3 main scenes. In the beginning, it breaks out from one short couple second scene with another song in the background, and then him start sing the whole bring it to the owner thing. And at that point, when him start singing the song now, he was inside a room with a pool, it was an indoor pool. Him that I drink him liquor and him a smoke and whatever. Good vibe. It looked like he might enjoy himself, but he basically talk to the girl, He must say, like, he basically tell her bring it to the owner. So while he was there singing, at the intro, whatever, he must drink, he must smoke, and him just there sing, him just there vibe. She come out now. Homegirl come out. She was wearing a robe. She came out of nowhere, dropped the robe, butt ass naked. She started swimming at the pool. So she got all the way up to him, and they were there. They started making out or whatever. And then they moved the scene from there to another room that seemed like it was a pool table and that them thing. When them get into the room with the pool table and whatever, things get really hot, because that's where the actual sex scene started. It's basically like a whole, like, basically half of the film is just about sex, them having sex. After them done the whole doing their thing in the pool table room, him suddenly gets a call now. Next scene, him suddenly gets a call and a bad man song chipping. Apparently, now this guy's vocals is off, like him vocals them off of the chain. Him get a call. Suddenly, I put on him clothes and leave, and she was like, yo, like, baby, where y'all go? Because she was just about to have her moment. You see me? She was just about to have her moment. And like, she say, yo, like, where y'all go? And I'm like, yo, baby, I forgot, yeah. So anyways, him leave. He just so happened to get a call about, like, this nigga that he wanted for give a page from a time, and a girl call him and say, yo, I have the dude him there, so so him pack up him gun, them round him, be a gun, and him I got page the youth now. So him go there, and the girl was for the girl did there. The guy was sleeping, he was sleeping on the couch, She say, yo, see me a Dexta. So Dexta Daps now, say, yo, brother, page the youth, who forget cuff get cuff. After him cuff the youth, police are come, and then it's a different scene now. Transitioning into that, he was like taking off his clothes because his clothes was bloody, like him hide him gun them, him do everything, because he was just trying to hide. He like entered into this band, like a club like that. And then now what he ended up doing was kicking off the door to get into a club he was hiding. And then now him gets into the club, past like one bag of like different kind of people, punk rock people, gay people, like going into the club and whatever. After him busting at the people them club, and he ended up ruining the stage show, like the show did like go on, the performances and the drumming and whatever. So he automatically fell in, started to like DJ, and he was now the focus of the whole show, and my man Rekitan come out, and it was just like everybody was like, yo, yay. You know, so apparently them enjoyed the performance. And then no, I think that was where it ended. Yeah, I think that was where it ended. So it basically had 3 scenes. So now I'm going to talk about my reaction to the whole thing basically. Now, there were some scenes that were very, 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 very graphic, like really, really graphic, like sounds and expressions and her body, and like it was a literal porn, people, like literal porn, like literally the mad. Well, me, I clicked on the video, like when I just saw the video now, I was like, I feel I watch it and I look if nobody I watch me. Because guys, like it was so intense, so graphic. And I mean, you could see her butt, you could see her breasts, you could literally see everything. The only thing you couldn't really see was like private parts, in terms of like the, you couldn't see that, but you could actually see like her boobs, you could see her butt. One at the time in Gita slap, it was just like, it was very, I would describe it as like a sexy short film. It had aspects, it had sections. One part where, you know, he was there and they were doing the thing that was very sexy, and then he moved into the gangster aspect of things, and he was really getting grimy, and I must say, yo brother, Ray. And then he showed his talent when he reached on the stage and buck up in the bag of people, and seeing him among like everybody there, it really brought it home. So yo, like people really asleep on the brother. Yeah, like he's so talented. The vocals crazy. If I him write the song, I'm saying this because apparently one heap of people are ghostwriter now. So I'm gonna say if I him write the song. If he's the one that wrote the song, that wrote the lyrics and stuff, he's even 10 times more talented. But I know he's a very good writer, actually. Well, actresses, I think, could actually act. They never did, like, you know, have that look of fake acting. They will make it look like, you know, watered down the thing. They were really, really good. And his acting skills were also very good. Like, the joke face them, like when I make them not really cute. But you know, he's a okay brother, he's a okay brother, and I really enjoyed the film. I think it was very different. I go through the comments them, and I read what people say, and people are like, yo, them asleep on your Dexta, like them really asleep. And they honestly are sleeping, you know. We were sleeping for a while. His vocals may not always crazy, but I think he has the ability to do so much more, and I think that's what the whole project was about. Him showing people say, yo, me and under the same thing, I'm very, very different. Him deliberately lay low, apparently, so that he could work on this and do it properly. So I'm really proud because it was very well executed. Execute the thing properly. The model that actually came in it, she was actually good looking. It never looked like them forced to do it. You could see there was a budget. You could see that them spend on the thing for look like quality. The location, because them say it shoot in Canada, like it was just very, very good. I was so proud watching, like, because him put out him all in a way, my do, and I think him definitely deserve way more ratings than him gets. And it was just very, very good, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description bar. You guys can watch it and tell me what you think. I don't know if I'm gonna take it down soon, but if they don't, the link will be in the description bar for you to check it out. Right now it's probably at about almost at 200,000, because I'm checking this morning, it did like 141k views, and I think it went up last night. So today, Friday, I'm about to edit this and post it ASAP because I want to get my 2 cents in, and this is a female's opinion on the video. The only thing I actually never really like the fact say, if it just so happens that you never know and you watch, I just wish it came in with like warnings that, yo, this is, you know, BN, you know, for nudity or whatever, something. That's the only thing I wish, because even though like people set up them account and set them on so and so by age, it can still leak through and they can still see, you know, what's happening. It's the internet, you have to be careful, you know what I mean? But for the most part, it was awesome. It was very, very awesome, very mature, well executed, very sexy. So I know so the lady them are gonna like it. Like in the comments, everybody will say, yo, the amount of baby we're gonna ban, so that's something. Yeah. The birth rate are gonna go up. Like I swear, y'all play too much, but Dexta Daps, good job. The song is awesome, the video is awesome, and I just definitely think this is just the beginning theme, like literally just the beginning. I'm so proud for no say yo is a Jamaican youth and him a doing thing. When him they just come out though, like I actually knew that his, you know, execution was really really good and that he was very serious about his craft. And this is the kind of work we need to see from people. No more mediocre foolishness in a lame music video, and like put time and quality in your work and make it sure. You understand? Like everybody needs to just quit with a lame ass video them. This is quality. This set the standard high. Say yo, if you're not put us a video like this, brother, no bother. Right now, everybody I got to talk about this for weeks to come. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's very well executed and everything. I'm really proud of him. But yeah guys, I won't stay too long. I just wanted to tell you guys what I think. Check out the video, tell me what you think, drop me a comment down below. Of course, follow me on my social media sites to keep up with me. I'm gonna have those links in the description bar for you, and you can also see them on the screen right now. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.